One thing I'm going to be watching very closely in the days and weeks ahead are the shares of Archer Daniels Midland, which is a very defensive company. This is a defensive stock which has acted very well lately. And if you look at that stock, plus some of the shares of other defensive groups like the consumer staples and utility stocks, they've also been acting very well. If these moves continue, it's going to be very important for investors to watch. On the technical side of things, Archer Daniels Midland broke out of a symmetrical triangle formation a few months ago. This is very positive. Now, its most recent rally is taking it up to its spring highs. If it can follow this break of the symmetrical triangle formation with a break to a higher high, it's going to be very, very positive for the stock on a technical basis. If you can look at the broader groups, we see that the XLU utility ETF has seen a nice rally in just the last 2 months. Similarly, the XLP consumer staples ETF has also rallied nicely. Of course, one of the reasons these defensive groups have been acting so well lately is the concerns over the trade war. The problem is a potential trade war is not the only issue we need to be concerned with. We have the Federal Reserve, who is shrinking its balance sheet in a more aggressive fashion. We have European bank stocks, which are very close to bear market territory. We have global growth, which isn't as strong as it was earlier in the year. And of course, emerging markets have been seeing both political and financial issues. This, I believe, has led investors to look more closely at some of these defensive names. I think this is a good idea, and if we see a little bit more upside movement in stocks like Archer Daniels Midland, it should be a sign that investors might want to be a little bit more defensive as we move through the second half of the year. For Trading Nation, I'm Matt Maley from Miller Tabak.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.